I didn't use spacers on the floor.
But we're going to get ready to go ahead and set our cabinets.
We've got our tubs done now. We're going to get started on our floor. We've already got our crosshairs marked out on the floor. We just did a center line, and we laid our tile out so we have equal distance on each side to make everything look symmetrical. We're going to trim around the front edge of the tub to make them fit nice, and so let's get started. All right, the tile is done. You can see it's all cut in, and we'll have to let this set. We'll come back and we'll clean it up and we'll grout. And this bathroom will be done, ready for cabinets. Now you can see the hall bath is all done. We got the tiles set around the tub and the floor tiles all set. Now we just have to wait for everything to come or to set, and then once everything is set we can put the grout on it. But looks good, and we're gonna get everything cleaned up, call it a day, because there's not a whole lot more we can do today, and we'll get it next time. Some of you may notice that I didn't use spacers on the floor. It's a small area for one, and I've done a lot of this tile, so I just kind of free-handed it. It's not real mission critical. When you grout it, it'll look fine. I'm not going to sweat getting it perfect, because we could be here forever. But anyway, it's good enough, and we're going to put the grout in it as soon as it sets, and I'll show you that when we get to it. All right, now we're going to call it a day and get everything cleaned up. And we've got, well, all the tile is in, except in the living room, dining room, kitchen area. We're going to put vinyl plank, the interlocking kind, because it's an old house, and I just didn't want to go through the hassle of having broken tiles all over the house. So we're going to do the vinyl plank in the living room, dining room, and kitchen, and that's going to be next time. If you like what you saw, click the subscribe button, click the like button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos are uploaded. And thanks for watching. See you next time.